Best peptides comparison. Collagen peptides have emerged as a cornerstone in the health and wellness industry, offering benefits ranging from improved skin elasticity to enhanced joint health. With consumers increasingly prioritizing natural solutions for anti-aging and overall vitality, selecting the right collagen supplement has become crucial. List 1. Key Nutrients offers a multifunctional collagen powder that combines type 1 and 3 collagen peptides with electrolytes and vitamin C for enhanced hydration and tissue regeneration. With 10 grams of collagen per serving, it's designed for both beauty and health benefits. The inclusion of 5 key electrolytes makes this product stand out for active individuals seeking hydration alongside collagen supplementation. During testing, the powder dissolved effortlessly in water and other liquids, making it highly convenient for daily use. Its unflavored profile ensures versatility, while the added vitamin C supports collagen synthesis and immune health. However, seasonal variations in grazing patterns of the cattle used may slightly impact consistency in collagen quality. List number 2. Health Revolution's multi-collagen protein powder combines 5 collagen types, 1, 2, 3, 5X. Sourced from beef, chicken, fish, and eggshells, this product leverages advanced technologies like Digesib and Peptinex for 99% absorption, making it ideal for individuals seeking maximum efficacy. It also boasts clinical studies that demonstrate improvements in skin elasticity, wrinkle reduction, and cellulite reduction over time. The powder mixes seamlessly into liquids without clumping, thanks to its instantized formula. Users reported noticeable improvements in skin texture and hair health after consistent use. However, the smaller serving size, 10.6 ounces, limits its value for long-term use compared to larger options. Despite this, its affordability makes it an excellent entry-level product for collagen supplementation. List number 3. Native Path's hydrolyzed collagen powder focuses on type 1 and 3 collagen sourced from pasture-raised cattle. It emphasizes purity with no GMOs, fillers, or artificial additives. This product is tailored for those seeking a clean, minimalist approach to collagen supplementation, with benefits for skin, hair, nails, and joint health. The powder is easy to incorporate into beverages and delivers noticeable results in skin texture and joint mobility after consistent use. However, its smaller serving size, 8.8 ounces, and lack of additional nutrients like vitamin C or electrolytes may limit its appeal for users seeking a more multifunctional product. It's best suited for purists who prioritize clean ingredients. List number 4. Nature's Live offers a unique soft gel format for collagen supplementation, combining 5 collagen types with biotin, vitamin C, and hyaluronic acid. This product provides convenience for users who prefer capsules over powders, and delivers targeted benefits for skin, hair, nails, and gut health. The soft gels are easy to swallow and integrate seamlessly into busy lifestyles. Users reported improvements in skin hydration and nail strength, although the color separation within the capsules may concern some. Additionally, it lacks the versatility of powders for mixing into beverages, limiting its use cases. Ideal for users seeking a fuss-free collagen supplement. List 5. Vellers Premium Collagen Powder combines 20 grams of collagen peptides with a chocolate flavor, catering to users who enjoy flavored supplements. Sourced from grass-fed, pasture-raised bovine, it supports skin, hair, nails, joints, and bones. Its paleo-friendly and gluten-free formulation further enhances its appeal for health-conscious consumers. The chocolate flavor makes this product enjoyable, especially for users who dislike unflavored powders. It dissolves well in liquids, creating a creamy texture. However, its higher price point, $44.99, may deter budget-conscious buyers. It's best suited for those seeking a luxurious, flavorful collagen experience.